Google's AI team has just announced a text-to-speech system that could possibly be restoring voices to people who are losing their voice because of various diseases such as ALS or MS. So what they're doing is they've taken a text-to-speech system and they're using zero-shot learning. So that means that the model is not trained on the output it's going to generate, which is great because these people don't have or have very limited voice capabilities. So what they're doing is they have somebody type in text and then it would generate a voice. But as the voice is being generated, they'll take these atypical voices. Like if somebody's losing their voice, they'll have them record 2 to 14 seconds of voice inputs. And then it will take that voice input, extrapolate it, and try to create an output from that text in a speech manner that matches their original voice. It's a little bit complicated, but let's look at the outputs and compare the original to the after and see what it is like.
I completely lost hearing when I was 1 year old. I completely lost hearing when I was 1 year old.
This is possibly a massive update for people who are suffering and could use some relief on just trying to get back their actual personality, because actually in their research blog they start off by saying the loss of one's voice caused by physical or neurological conditions can result in a profound sense of loss, striking at the very heart of one's identity. And I think this is so profound. And we're constantly bombarded by how AI is being used to just generate better images or generate better text. But it's always interesting and brings me back to why I love this field, that it's materially changing people's lives for the better. So yeah, shout out to the Google AI team.